Welcome back, children. So in the previous session we have discussed about ordering of fractional numbers. Depending upon that, we are going to do the exercise problems. Now look at the exercise 6F. Write greater than or less than or equal to in the given boxes. So here two fractions are given. We need to do it here, that which is the greater one. We need to identify which is the greater number. So in the ordering of fractional numbers, we have seen how to identify the given fraction is a greater number, greater one or a smaller one. So look at the question number B here. What is given there? 4 upon 10 and 4 upon 5. 4 upon 10 and 4 upon 5. So here you can see the numerator number. Numerator number is 4. Isn't it? Means both you have 4 as a numerator. Means we have the same numerator. Isn't it? So 4 is a numerator. Now here what you have. So if you have the same numerator, then we need to compare the number in denominator. So which number is a less number? Which number is a small number in denominator? That number is a greater number, right? That number will be the greater number. Now look at here, 4 upon 10 we have and 4 upon 5 we have. So 4 and 4 you have the same numerator. So we need to compare with the denominator. So in denominator, which number is a smaller number? That number is a greater one. So that we have seen in the previous class, right? Yes. So 4 upon 5 and 4 upon 10. So which is the greater one? Here you can see 5 and 10. So which is a smaller number in these denominators? 5 is a smaller denominator. So it shows that the number 4 upon 5 or 4 by 5 is a greater number. Isn't it? Is greater than 4 upon 10. Now look at the next number. 2 by 5, 2 by 8 we have. So in this, here also you can observe 2 and 2. Both you have the same number, numerator. So I need to compare with the denominator. Means which number is smaller one? That is a greater one, right? So here 5 is there, 8 is there in the denominator. Means, so 5 is 5 and 8. So which is the smaller one in this? 5 is smaller than 8, right? So I can say that 2 by 5 is the greater one than 2 by 8, isn't it? So 2 by 5 is a greater one than 2 by 8. Now look at the next question. 3 by 4, 3 by 4. So you have the same numerator and you have the same denominator. Then I can say that both are equal. Now come to the next one. Here 5 upon 10 and 4 upon 10. So we have seen this definition, right? 5 upon 10, 4 upon 10 means here can observe 5 and 4. Numerator numbers are different and denominator you have same. Means when the denominator you have the same value, you need to compare with the numerator. So how you will compare here? Which number is a smaller number? That is a smaller one. And which you have the greater one, greater number, that is a greater number, right? Now you can see 4 upon 10 and 5 upon 10 is it. So in this 4 and 5, which is a greater one? 5 is a greater one. So obviously 5 by 10 is a greater number than 4 by 10. Yes? Now, coming to the next one. 3 by 8, 6 by 8. What you have here? 3 by 8, 6 by 8. Here you have the same denominator. Then compare with the numerator. Numerator, which number is greater? That number is a greater one. Now 3 by 8 you have, 6 by 8 you have. So in this 3 and 6, which is the greater one? 6 is the greater number, right? So 3 by 6 by 8 is a greater than 6 by 8 is a greater one than 3 by 8. Yes? Now, coming to the next one.